Hello everyone, I am Swati and I will be talking about Legal Heir Certificate and how it can be obtained. A government issued document known as the Legal Heir Certificate certifies a person's link to its deceased. It determines who is entitled to inherit a deceased person's belongings, obligations and assets. When there are disagreements over inheritance or even the deceased did not leave a will, this certificate is especially crucial. Name, residence, and detail about each legal successor's connection to the death are usually included in the heir certificate. It might also contain information on the deceased individual like their name, place of residence, and date of birth. For legal reasons such as transferring property ownership, opening bank accounts, obtaining insurance benefits, paying off debts, and resolving other inheritance related issues, a legal heir certificate is essential. People must apply to the municipality office or the local revenue department and provide the required documentation to establish their relation to the deceased in order to receive a lawful heir certificate. The appropriate authority issues the certificate following the processing and verification of the application. State laws in India control the legal heir certificate, and state-specific procedures may differ slightly from one another. It is imperative to adhere to the particular guidance and protocols delineated by the regional authority. Following are the general guidelines on how to obtain a legal heir certificate. Application form. Obtain the application form for the legal heir certificate from the local revenue department or municipality office. You can usually get this form online or directly from the office. Second, we have required documents. Gather the necessary documents. These may include death certificate of the deceased person, identity proof of the applicant, Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, etc. Proof of residence of the applicant, relationship proof with the deceased, birth certificate, marriage certificate, etc. Any other documents as required by the local authority. Then after that we have fill the application form. Fill out the application form with accurate details. Ensure all the information provided is correct and matches the supporting documents. Fourth, we have attached documents. Attach all the required documents along with the filled application form. Fifth in the process, we have submit the application. Submit the application form along with the attached documents to the concerned authority at the local revenue department or municipality office. Sixth, we have verification process. After submission, the authorities will verify the details provided in the application and the supporting documents. Seventh, we have issue of certificate. Once the verification process is complete and if everything is found to be in order, the legal heir certificate will be issued to the applicant. This certificate will typically contain details of all legal heirs of the deceased person. Collect certificate. Collect the legal heir certificate from the concerned office once it is issued. There might be a nominal fee involved for obtaining the certificate, which varies from state to state. Validity. Legal heir certificates typically do not have an expiration date, but it's always advisable to check with the local authorities if any update or renewals are required. Important note that the exact procedure might vary from state to state in India. It's recommended to check with the local revenue department or the municipality office for specific requirements and procedures applicable to your area. Thank you. That's all for today.